In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily rotate a picture on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Photos app, and after that we just need to search for a photo we would like to rotate. Let it be that one. First off we need to open up that photo, and after that tap at Edit. That will bring us to some kind of image editor, where at the bottom we need to tap at Crop. And after that, by tapping right here at that button, we can rotate our picture by 90 degrees. And also we can rotate it by dragging this bar at the bottom to rotate our image to another amount of degrees. That's how it's done, and to save the changes, don't forget to hit at Done, and it will set that it will save that image. However, if later on you will change your mind, you can easily get back to your image, hit Edit, and then hit at Revert, and then tap at Revert to Original to restore the original image. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.